Hi everybody, my name is Jess and I am a thriftaholic. Today we have a ThredUP how-to video. This is my first time doing a reclaim, which is when your item does not sell within the allotted number of days and you can reclaim your item to have it sent back to you. So I have two kits that have less than 2 weeks left. And I believe a month ago, in the month of July of 2020, ThredUP changed their reclaim policy. Before it was you had 14 days after the listing was no longer active to claim your items. And I believe they changed it to once the items have, you can reclaim them whenever, as long as it's not under the 12-hour bidding. But you have to reclaim your items while they are still actively listed, because if they go not active, then you no longer have your items. ThredUP has them. So let's get started. The one here that you see for June 20th, that is my first kit. I am new to reselling on ThredUP. I started reselling on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari about 4 years ago. I apologize if you hear any trains. It's inevitable where I live. So, okay, here is the first kit that I'm going to show you that I'm going to reclaim. And I first started sending in free inventory or old stale inventory that I have had, so I may not reclaim everything. This Jones, New York pullover reclaim, add to my cart. You can check out at any time before the listing expires in 7 days. Shipping fee applies. So what I'm going to show you is that I'm going to reclaim these items and I'm going to send them back in. So all you do is simply hit the reclaim and it'll go into your shopping cart, and you do not get charged, obviously, since it is your item. It will show as $0. Maurice's I'm going to sell myself. Unless I get it at the bins, the payout just is not enough. So I'm just going through one by one. And, well, that one was kind of slow. So as you can see, this will be repetitive. I'm going to stop it at this point. I'm going to reclaim my other closet, and you see it now says reserved for you to claim. So I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to do some shopping and show you how you can possibly get your items sent back to you with free shipping or discounted shipping. So as you see here, I did click on my cart just to give you a brief update. You have items in your cart up to 7 days that are your items to reclaim. So that's nice to know that they stay in your cart for 7 days. But I'm going to reclaim my other kit and go shopping and show you if there's a cheaper way to get your items back without having to pay for shipping. We'll see. It's a learning curve for me too, as this is my first time. So stay tuned, and I'm going to reclaim my other kit and then go on and add some items to purchase and put them in my cart and see if we can get some free shipping. So you can only have a total of 35 items in your cart at one time. So I did not reclaim every single piece of my inventory. Some of the items I had tried to sell myself for at least 2 years, so I'm just letting those go. If you see here, I did some shopping. I am going to sell this unbranded wool skirt. Wool does well for me, and if it's unbranded, maybe I can look up the RN number once it arrives to me and find out the brand. Otherwise, it's a plain wool skirt. I can always keep it for myself. It is my size. Okay, so I reclaimed 33 of my items. Let's scroll to the bottom. I did previously have a silk skirt and an Escada jacket. The two items here are the ones I'm just letting go. Yes, there is a LuLaRoe dress. It was a hideous print. I believe somebody just gave it to me, but I'm not claiming that back, and I'm not claiming the Dear John jeans. But I also added these Masook pants to Resell, got them half off. So for $12.48, I will pay for Masook because I can mark these up for over $100 and make profit. This dress, it's actually more like a tunic dress. It's got these cute tier bell sleeves. That's for me personally to wear. And the rest of the items I am reclaiming. So they are currently having a sale with Second Love LUV code that I used. As you can see here, my original total was $43, but I used the Second Love code to get more discounts. And if your items are over $50 currently, you get free shipping. So I'm getting all of my items. I did have some credit. So technically they're taking $23.40 from me, but I got, you know, one item for myself, 2 items to resell, and then 32 items I'm reclaiming. So that is the end of this video. If you want other ThredUP follow-up videos or just good old-fashioned hauls, thrift hauls, stay tuned for more videos. Please hit the subscribe button, the bell, and give this a like. Have a thriftalicious day.